How to fix NordVPN error. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to try uninstalling the application NordVPN. So simply tap and hold the app and then click on Remove App. Now tap on Delete App. Once it has been uninstalled, simply reinstall it. After that, move into the App Store on a device and search for NordVPN. Once it has been installed, you also have to make sure that you are running the updated version of the app. If not, tap on Update and update it. Wait for a while for it to complete. Once you've got the updated version, now move into the settings of the device and then move into General. Head over to iPhone Storage. And in this page, you have to search for NordVPN. You can search it in the search bar and then move into it. Now, click on Offload App and then once again click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It should also fix the error that you have been facing on NordVPN. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.